This nasty 300 Ford block. This thing's been through the ringer. Check out them bores. That has a huge lip at the top. This thing was used hard. So the customer honed this thing. Do you guys spot the problem of what he did wrong? Anybody? Let me know. The customer was honing this thing. He was using a stone style like this. That's why you can see the lip at the top. You can also use like a dingle ball hone. That'll clean up the bores. It won't show you exactly what's wrong. But the main problem I always see is when people hone their cylinders, they have that drill at like the fastest speed, and then they go up and down very slow. And it doesn't give it any crosshatch pattern. It's just shiny in the, there's your crosshatch. You need like an X pattern, like a 45-degree angle. You want to work that drill up and down faster if you're running at full speed, or just slow the drill speed down and work your arm up and down a little bit slower and get that crosshatch. Because by him doing that, it's not doing anything, just making it shiny. I'll show you on these couple cylinders of how to hone a cylinder with one of these hones. Some WD-40. Here we go, I'll show you. You have to go up and down real fast to get that X pattern. Now I'll show you with this dingle ball hone. I'm just wiping them clean. Here's the cylinder with the rigid stone. You can see there's actually a crosshatch. I probably needed to do a couple more strokes, but there's actually a crosshatch now. And then here's the dingle ball hone. The good thing about a dingle ball hone, it actually goes in the low spots, and you can kind of barely even see that lip at the top, but it's obviously still there if you feel it. So you can see the dingle ball, good crosshatch. Pretty decent crosshatch. You needed a couple more strokes, and then here's what the customer did, and it's physically no crosshatch, it's just shiny. I'm gonna do that cylinder that I did the dingle ball hone in with the rigid stone. And that's what it looks like after I hit that cylinder that I ball honed with the rigid stone. Hey, this video is just for all you DIY guys out there. There's nothing wrong with doing stuff at your house as long as you have a good X pattern in your crosshatch. Hey, and I forgot to mention, you have to be careful with those rigid stones. You can take too much material out of the bores, so you only can do about 12 strokes, or you'll make the cylinder too big. Hey, and we're not running this block how it is. It's way too worn. We're gonna punch this thing 20 over. He's getting a whole set of pistons, grinding the crank, resizing the rods, the whole meal deal. Hey, and if you guys enjoy Ford content, this same customer brought me the cylinder head about a week or so ago. We did a crack repair, hardened seats, full set of valves and springs. That's gonna pretty much wrap up this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.